You are listening to the QFM. Manifest your reality.
So, as we've been talking to you about this emotional scale, where there is appreciation and love on the good feeling end, and despair and depression on the other end, and we've described despair and depression and moving up the scale. Sometimes we do the scale this way, sometimes we do it this way, but you get the sense that there is a range of emotions that you feel, because there is a range of vibrations, like the harmonic in the music that you're talking about, that you feel. And so from despair there is revenge, which is an improvement, and then there's hatred, which is an improvement from revenge, and then there is love, that is a big improvement, but you don't have access to that. You don't have access to everything on the scale. You only have access to what's in the vicinity of where you are. Have you ever been depressed, really truly discouraged about something, and then you found someone to focus upon, and you felt sincere revenge? We're just asking, wasn't that satisfying? It was, because there was less resistance in it. So what we're wanting you to realize is nobody's asking you to do the impossible and make a vibrational jump. What we're asking you to do is try to find something satisfying. And the thing that we most want you to hear, and this is the thing that twists your brain into a knot, because it seems counterintuitive to the action-based effort struggle environment that you may have become accustomed to. Take your attention off the thing that matters so much and put it upon other things that are easy for you to feel satisfied about, and let those other subjects put you in the receiving mode so that you can receive things about the thing that matters most. Did you hear that? But it takes focus. It takes focusing upon the desire to feel better, because you can't think your way out of it. When something's really bothering you, you can't think your way out of it, because the more you think about it, the more momentum you get going in the opposite direction of what you want, and the more discord you feel within yourself, and the less happily ever after you are living. We know you hear it conceptually. We know you get the concept that we have just expressed to you. But what most of you are not really believing about yourselves yet is that you can stay off of a subject of such importance, off of a subject that comes into your mind so often. But you can, you see, you can.
Manifest your reality.